Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to solve a problem on Anna University's UG Engineering course with code MA3251 Statistics and Numerical Methods Unit 5 Numerical Solution of Ordinary Differential Equations. The topic is on multi-step methods, Milne's Predictor and Corrector formula. We will directly go into the problem. Here we are going to use Milne's Predictor and Corrector formula to find y of 4.4 and y of 4.5 for the given ordinary differential equations 5x into dy by dx plus y square minus 2 equal to 0 with the given conditions y of 4 equal to 1, y of 4.1 equal to 1.0049, y of 4.2 equal to 1.0097 and y of 4.3 equal to 1.0143. To solve using Milne's method, let's first write the given information from the given problem. It is given 5x into dy by dx plus y square minus 2 equal to 0. From this, the differential equation dy by dx will be equal to 2 minus y square the whole divided by 5x. Also, it is given y of 4 equal to 1, y of 4.1 equal to 1.0049, y of 4.2 equal to 1.0097, y of 4.3 equal to 1.0143. From this, we have x0 equal to 4, x1 equal to 4.1, x2 equal to 4.2 and x3 equal to 4.3. Also, y0 equal to 1, y1 equal to 1.0049, y2 equal to 1.0097 and y3 equal to 1.0143. Here it is to find y of 4.4 and y of 4.5. Therefore, we have x4 equal to 4.4, x5 equal to 4.5. We are desired to find y of 4 and also y of 5. The difference between equipped values of x is given by h equal to x1 minus x0. Therefore, h equal to 0.1. Now, let's write Milne's predictor formula. The Milne's predictor formula is given by y of n plus 1, p will be equal to y of n minus 3 plus 4 times h by 3 into 2 times y of n minus 2 dash minus y of n minus 1 dash plus 2 times y of n dash. When we put n equal to 3, we will be having y of 4, p which will be equal to y0 plus 4 times h by 3 into 2 times y1 dash minus y2 dash plus 2 times y3 dash. It is given the differential equation dy by dx is equal to 2 minus y square the whole divided by 5x. That is y dash equal to 2 minus y square the whole divided by 5x. So, in order to find y1 dash, y2 dash and y3 dash, we use this y dash. Therefore, y1 dash will be equal to 2 minus y1 square the whole divided by 5x1. y2 dash will be equal to 2 minus y2 the whole square to the whole divided by 5x2. And y3 dash will be equal to 2 minus y3 the whole square the whole divided by 5x3. On solving this, we get y1 dash, y2 dash and y3 dash. Once we have the values of y1 dash, y2 dash and y3 dash, we can bring these values to Milne's predictor formula with h equal to 0.1. After substituting these values and on solving the Milne's predictor formula, we arrive the predicted value of y4. The predicted value of y4 is 1.0187. Usually, in multi-step methods, on achieving the predicted value, we immediately recorrect this value using corrector formula. In the Milne's corrector formula is given by y of n plus 1, c, which will be equal to y of n minus 1 plus h by 3 times y of n minus 1 dash plus 4 times y of n dash plus y of n plus 1 dash. When we substitute n equal to 3, the Milne's corrector formula will change to y4, c, which will be equal to y2 plus h by 3 times y2 dash plus 4 y3 dash plus y4 dash. We already have found y2 dash and y3 dash. To find y4 dash, we follow the same technique used to find y2 dash and y3 dash. Therefore, our y4 dash will become 2 minus y4 the whole square, the whole divided by 5 times x4. The value of y4 dash on solving will become 0.0437. Taking h equal to 0.1 and substituting the value of y2, y2 dash, y3 dash and y4 dash in Milne's corrector formula, we arrive at the corrected value of y4. After substitution and on solving the Milne's corrected formula, we arrive at y4, c, which will be equal to 1.0187. Next, we find y of 4.5 using Milne's formula. To do this, as usual, first we take Milne's predictor formula. When we substitute n equal to 4 in Milne's predictor formula, we get y5, p, which will be equal to y1 plus 4 times h by 3 into 2 times y2 dash minus y3 dash plus 2 y4 dash. On substituting these values, we obtain the predicted value of y5 as 1.0230. Once we find the predicted value, we try to recorrect this using Milne's corrector formula. Substituting n equal to 4 in Milne's corrector formula, we get y5, c, which will be equal to y3 plus h by 3 times y3 dash plus 4 y4 dash plus y5 dash. In this formula, we already know y3, y3 dash and y4 dash. To find y5 dash, we take y5 dash equal to 2 minus y5 the whole square, the whole divided by 5x5. Therefore, we get y5 dash as 0.0424. On substituting these values in corrector formula, we achieve the corrected value of y5 as 1.0230. In this way, we can solve ordinary differential equation with given conditions using Milne's predictor and corrector formula. I hope that this video provides a better understanding on Milne's predictor and corrector formula. I thank you all for watching this video. Once again, thank you.